Web Analytics, some must-know facts unearthed. When it comes to web analytics, you need to work smarter than harder to reap the benefits. Actually, two different persons can get a varied amount of benefits by using the same web analytics solutions. We'll discuss a few things that can put you in the driving seat. We'll also tell you a little something about the key factors to look into while shopping for a killer web analytics tool, and don't let those technological jargons intimidate you. Then again, you don't have to be a highly technology-oriented person. Then again, the nature of online marketing calls, no matter how you take it, you'll have to deal with these things today or tomorrow. So it is good to make yourself educated. If done right, your web analytics application can provide you with the right focus as well as crucial marketplace feedback. But if your web analytics goes wrong, this can lead towards confusion and disorientations. That's why it's so important that you get a suitable package to meet the unique needs of your online business. To understand whether the analytics tool is worthwhile, you need to first make it through scrutiny and evaluation of your online business needs. Say, for someone who has an online business which is primarily deemed e-commerce or comprehensive lead generation, that person must ask herself whether she has the essential IT resources for managing the solution. This analysis and assessment will have a lot to do with the choices you make. A good idea here would be to focus on the insight to effort ratio. When you choose your objectives as well as on your prime business indicators, you'll be able to decide on your insight to effort resources ratio. Remember that to use your web analytics tool, you need to clearly understand your business requirements. Funny though, many people fail to understand the fact that most web analytics solutions does not provide them with meaningful data. That's why you need to learn the art of interpretation and inference. You also need to decide between outsourcing or getting it done in-house. There are lots of important things when it comes to web analytics, but this one is among the prime ones. A large number of online marketing companies feel that it's rather simpler if they make much smaller amounts of monthly payments to their ASP provider, as it's much lighter on their cash flow and calls for very few, if any, in-house IT resources. And the in-house resources required in this regard are usually stretched to the maximum level already. First things first, you'll need solid communication skills for making the most out of your web analytics tools. Face it. If you don't know how to use it, measurements are not worth it. And if you can't communicate the findings and convince people to react or act, you'll prove ineffective. Secondly, majority of the modern-day ASP solutions provide you with client-based tagging, which is nothing more than a tiny bit of smart JavaScript sending visitors' data to the servers of the ASP, against the analysis of the server log that proves much more reliable. ASPs usually provide you with the info on demand as well as real-time. In addition, you might get thorough accessibility to your online reports from virtually every place where could access a web browser from. A key issue of your concern regarding ASP solutions happens to be privacy. Today, the majority of the ASP solutions are able to send out their data to the third-party server. Also, there's always some kind of a risk that some unauthorized guy out there gain accessibility to your information. And finally, you also should look into the underlying compatibility issues. See whether your web analytics solution can seamlessly measure your dynamic contents.